Restaurant signage hasn't changed in decades. Same static menus, same chalkboards, same forgettable first impressions. I built something different. Most restaurants still rely on passive displays that do absolutely nothing. No engagement, no data, no reason for a customer to stop and look. The ordering experience is forgettable and the restaurant gets zero insight into what's working. CYBERWAVE starts working the moment it's powered on. Even with no customer present, it runs dynamic promotions acting as ambient advertising around the clock. When a customer approaches, the XIAO Vision AI Camera detects their presence automatically. No button press, no touch required. The system activates and greets them instantly. This time, the customer selects the touch ordering flow. You can browse the full menu organized by sections: burgers, extras, drinks, desserts, combos, and promos. Add items, customize, manage the cart, review the order, and summary with taxes, and finally confirm all your decisions. All through a fluid touchscreen experience designed for speed and clarity, with a cyberpunk feel attached to it. Or go completely hands-free. CYBERWAVE's voice ordering system, powered by the reSpeaker XVF 3800, lets customers navigate the entire menu by voice. Add Neon Night promo. Extras. Add Hyper Fries. Beverages. Add Synth Cola. Go down. Go up. Go up. Go to cart. Go down. Proceed. Complete.
Thank you. Your order is being prepared. Please review your pre-dine experience. Your feedback is valuable to us.
5 stars. Submit rating. Staff access is protected by a secure PIN code, keeping operation private and the dashboard exclusive to the team. The staff dashboard gives restaurant operators complete visibility in real time. Incoming orders appear at the moment they're placed. Staff advance each order through the workflow from waiting to preparing to delivered to completed. The table grid shows all 9 desks at a glance, color-coded by status. The menu shows all the items available and the prices. And finally, the analytics dashboard tracks everything that matters, from total income to popular items, peak ordering hours, and customer satisfaction scores from both the ordering experience and the dining experience. These are the components I used for this project. Every part of the enclosure was designed from scratch in Fusion 360 and printed in PLA filament. Headset inserts, cable routing, screen mounting, and accent pieces assembled into a single clean device ready for any restaurant environment. At the counter, on the table, or outside a food truck, CYBERWAVE fits anywhere a restaurant needs it. This is CYBERWAVE.